Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I am gonna show you how to upload a logo in Woodmart theme. First of all, you need to log in to your WordPress website and with your correct login username and password. Go to your website and you see that this option. Click on it and then click on header builder and click on edit current header. And here you see header, and I want to upload my own logo. So for that, click here on edit, and from here you see that option logo image. Click on upload. Upload your logo. And you can adjust its width. Once you made the adjustments, then click on the save button, and once the logo is uploaded, then again click on save header. Then go to your WordPress front end to see the changes, and now you see that our WordPress logo is now changed. So that's how you can change the logo. So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.